Hi, welcome to another video of SK Entertainments. In this video, I am introducing you a new feature of my handset, and this video will be more helpful for Oppo's Realme handset users. I am introducing you how to call via Wi-Fi if you have an Airtel SIM card or a Jio SIM card. For that, go to Settings application. Select Dual SIM and Mobile Network. Select SIM 1 as I have inserted my Airtel SIM in the first slot. Select Wi-Fi calling from Network Settings. Enable the one and only Wi-Fi calling option. On enabling, you can see Wi-Fi calling preferences option. Select it. Select first option and select done. It's over. And another option is there also, mobile calling. If you don't have Wi-Fi connection with your handset, you can select mobile calling preferred from these two options. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, go to home. It's over. Thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing the channel. For more videos, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon.